Hello friends. Today we are going to be talking about Donchian Channel strategy. We will go over step by step on what Donchian Channel strategy is and how to properly use it. Donchian Channel uses 3 lines of the Bollinger Bands to indicate bullish or bearish extremes that favors reversals, as well as lower and higher breakouts under merging trends. Now, let me show you how to set up the Donchian Channel and give you some examples, friends. First, you will need to set your time frame to 1 minute. Then go to the Indicators tab, select Donchian Channel and set the period to 18. Next, select Moving Averages, select EMA, and set the period to 100. Remember, we will place trades for 1 minute. The strategy is simple. If the candles are above the EMA level, we are going to take our up trade whenever the candle touches the middle band. If the candles are below, then we're going to take a down trade whenever the candles touches the middle band. Here are some live examples of me placing trades with the strategy. This strategy has a 75% accuracy with 1-step martingale.